Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a Euro US dollar forecast and today is 9th May 2023. This forecast and technical analysis will be valid unless the levels are broken by the price. So time to time I will be updating you about this particular setup, and just like last night I have Just like last night, I have told you that I will try to upload three updates of the pound yen per week. So same is the case right here on the euro US dollar. I will be trying to update you about it three or two, 3 or 4 times a week, uh, or when the levels are broken or retested, or if let's say for example, let's say I'm planning for buy. So once the price reaches here, I will be updating you with a new video. So let's delete everything. And obviously, if you are holding a sell trade, stay with me. I will be discussing this today. So first thing first, let's find out what's the monthly chart is telling us. And obviously, if I look into the monthly chart, this is trend we have, which is obviously downtrend, we can say. There is one technical thing that I want to draw your attention to, and that will be this break in to the structure. It is so much important to me. Why? Because market gave a break in. Even if we see right here, market gave us a breakout, then a break in, then the continuation, and if you see here, fresh sellers jumped into the chart, but the bulls took over the market. So on the monthly time frame, obviously the price action is telling me that it's going up, right? But this is not my final decision. Stay with me. I will be discussing it in detail. So according to the monthly time frame, what level is important to me at this stage is obviously this 1.12831 level is so much important to me, so obviously I will be highlighting the area. Now the monthly time frame is done. Let's switch to the lower time frames, but I will be referring to this plan. I will be keep switching between time frames. So on the monthly, obviously 1.12831, it is showing us price action has confirmed it because fresh bulls entered into the market at 1.053009 right here. So let's see on the weekly right now what's going on up there. On the weekly, we have lost volume at this stage. If you see right here, uh, like this smooth trade which was going on, suddenly like the volume started to disappear from the level. So here, obviously, I will be drawing your attention to this pattern right here, and just have a look at it. This pattern exactly completes at the level right here, 1.13295. Let's delete this for now. So on the weekly, obviously, market is bullish, right? No doubt we have lost volume right here, and retailers are more interested in selling euro US dollar, right? So obviously, this candle, if you see this one, the one that closed indecision sort of candle, and this week we have no volume as well, but it also shows a break of structure right here. Let's see if it is a false one or a real one. When I switch back to the daily, we will find out if this is a false breakout or a real breakout. Well, I think this is like it has retested this level 1.09881, right? It has retested it, and on the daily still like it spent almost like from 13th April till now so far. It is price is like right here. So obviously the long term suggest a sell from 1.13295, right? And the short term, let's have a look at the H4 right here, which is obviously the weekly. For the H4, I will definitely need to study this chart 61.8 right here. So on the H4, if we see, let's see what is active at the moment. Are you holding any sell position from right here? I have discussed in one of my videos. 123 pips, I think that's more than enough. Just if you are not a long-term trader, I think you can leave the market now, because, or you can just like wait till this zone. 1.09291 is going to be a very, very strong support right here. And most probably we may see some good move from here till there. So an opportunity, day opportunity of 60 pips right here. I will be trying to catch it if it forms today. I'm not sure if we will have enough volume. If we see the RSI situation at the moment is we have also got an overbought situation, but the oversold situation is yet to confirm, and that will be a very, very strong evidence. If the price reaches to 1.09291, RSI at that time is below, it will be all set for buy trade. So now, since like this is the actual situation on the euro US dollar, let me find out what's going on, and let me show you that in such situations what I usually do. Let's zoom in and let's find out. Well, I think market is in a clear range, right? Range of this. This is a range with us, and this range can be for some time. Let's see when it breaks, but price keep rejecting from the level and keep rejecting from the top. So on the H4, yes, this one cell is active at the moment, which is pointing towards 1.09266. But stay with me, this is not yet my final decision. What's next I'm going to do is very weird chart right here. And usually in such situations, these are termed as like a very hard market for market conditions for retail traders. And there is one thing, we have an ABCD pattern that was going up from here. Its completion was up there, that did not got completed. So we have a margin of around, like the market reversed. It was supposed to go further 75 pips from here, but it did not. So it is expected that from here, if we take a buy, we should place our stop loss around 91 up to 100 pips, and the take profit can be 150 pips. So, well, this one I think is not very ideal, but still, I'm not sure how many of the traders have big accounts who are watching me right now. Uh, but still, I will be trying to catch some pips right here, and my stop will be below 1.08629. Other than that, let me add another chart. And let's see, since we have a very less volume, we can look for H1. Here what we have is an ABCD pattern completion. Let's see, it did not complete it. 1.09365 it is showing me on the H1 time frame as well. So, and on the H1 we have also got this confirmation or evidence of the trade. So from right here it will be completed. 1.09462 and 1.09291, both are good levels to look for some buy opportunities. Other than that, if we just focus on the daily, well, I will be more interested if I get any candle that closes below 1.09291. It will be a very fantastic trade, and then I will be targeting for from here. If I if it gives a breakout, then a retest, and right here I will re-enter into the trade. So 200 pips of profit it will be, and let's see how much stop loss it will have. Well, this sell trade will have like 1:1, so I'm not sure if I'm going to trade it or not. Well, ideally I will be waiting for a top up there to add some fresh positions. Other than that, I'm holding this sell position. Let's see if it hit the SL or the TP. But I think this 1.07282, if price retraces back to here, it can become a very nice buy zone for me. And exactly it will be completing right here. So at this moment I can say that in next 2 days I'm expecting that the price should go down towards 1.07377. So in that situation, yes, if my target is right here, uh, 262 pips, and so that is the sell trade. And yes, right here 266 pips of SL and 581 pips of take profit, but I can leave the market right here as well. So let's see, I will be focusing on 1.07290 for a buy as well. This is a bit more long term, a weekly sort of trade, and the other one you can quickly get like 50-60 pips today from right here. Very easily you can get it. 1.09291, but for that market has to come back down. So euro US dollar, obviously it is like following the structures very nicely, and I'm sure enough if you follow this technical analysis and the technique that I use, you will understand the strategy very nicely. Now on this fresh chart I want to draw your attention to a pattern which is so much important, and most of the traders don't understand it because no one teaches you these things. This is the pro stuff. No one will tell you about it. Whenever a market, let's say you are looking at the market, it gave you this, and market is, let's say, here. So what you are going to do right here is you are obviously going to take a sell trade on a 61, and obviously people took it. 53 pips it was giving me. But if you were a long-term trader, let's say, this would be a total uh, losing trade, I should say. And why it will be losing, let me explain that as well. Long-term traders, they would have 200 pips of take profit and 100 pips of stop loss, and obviously in that case the stop loss is hit. But in such situation, like you are mostly told in the webinars and online by different mentors that move your stop, that don't move your stop, it should be where it is before taking the trade. But no, my friends, in such situation, if you have an active trade and if you are looking at this candle and it closes like this, then yes, obviously we have to close that trade. So I was talking about that pattern. The pattern is very simple. We get divergence. Let me show you. We have got a divergence, a tiny one divergence, and a break of this structure, and the market gave a sort of like this pattern, you can say. At this stage, what you are going to do is, let's see, you have to draw Fibonacci from right here till here, and at the 61.8% retracement is the buy opportunity. But let me adjust it first. Not adjust, but let me draw it correctly. Let's delete this one. I think it moved up from 50% retracement. And why it did that? Because this is like a broken level. So in such situation, I usually don't trade 50 retracement level. But if it is a retest of the support, like a broken level breakout point, market went back up, down, retest, and slowly and gradually it went back up, found this double top, another sell, and here if you see, I have got my perfect trade entry, which is approximately a 61.8. Just have a look at it. Without getting against me for a single pip, it gave me straight how much pips, though my stop loss was right here for this particular trade. So around 100 pips of stop loss gave me 220 pips. What's so difficult in this? And obviously this is the breakout point. So I was saying that this is difficult to read this range right here on the H4, because we have got another 61.8, and most traders left their positions at this double top. Then if you remember, I gave you this sell trade, then this sell trade in my weekly forecast. So 118 and around 126, you can say 100 pips and 100 pips right here, and we can get another opportunity right here today for 50-60 pips right here. And the long term, that's obviously showing us that it's going further down, but obviously I will be looking for some break of structures. At the end of the session, I want to say that I want to live stream, but for that I will need to open a new channel. So if you vote in the comment section down below for a live stream, then definitely vote me. If I get enough votes, I will be starting the live streams. I'm leaving a link of the new channel. It's empty at the moment, but those who are interested to join the live streams on 15th, on 20th June 2023, I'm going to start live streaming. If I have enough subscribers on that channel, around 1000 will be required. So if you are willing to do that, I will give you the link of the channel in the description. You can subscribe it, and also you can contact me on the WhatsApp number if you have any questions or any problems. You can send me your chart as well. I will be discussing that in the upcoming video. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.